Hello, Jackie. Jackie. Hey, girl, why you didn't tell me this little palette was launching? I mean, you keeping secrets from me too? Ugh, girl, bye. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and you already know what time it is. You seen the title, you know what it is. We gonna be reviewing the new Jackie palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills, baby. Y'all see I tried to pull my little Jackie Aina move, but I ain't had no fancy shirt, so I did what I could. I hope you guys are here for the review, and I hope you guys enjoy. You will be getting an eyeshadow look in today's video, reviewing the palette, me giving you the first impressions on how I feel. If you are new to the channel, welcome, baby girl. Become a diamond. Go ahead and become a part of the D4L gang by clicking the subscribe button and smashing that notification bell so you don't miss another upload from your girl. Now, I know you guys are like, what? Girl, I had to pull it out. Mama Jackie did her thing. And her new little video and her little cleavage showing and stuff, you know, I had to step it up a little bit. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts and want to see the review and swatches, then let go. All right, you guys, it is that time. Of course, we're going to be doing the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette review. I feel so bougie because I have this in my hands, you know. I did go ahead and do my face off camera and I just focused in on the eyes, but you know, it couldn't be a Jackie Aina party without the Jackie Aina times Artist Couture and La Peach. Baby, we had to go ahead and put it on. Y'all, I don't have the new Anastasia's foundation and powders or anything, so I did my face off cameras. If you guys want to know the products that I use, comment down below and I will give you guys a list, or I'll have it in my pinned comments. Girl, I was super excited to get this. I should have got the mailers packaging, but I didn't understand it at first, so I was like, no, I'm just gonna get the palette. And you guys, I am obsessed. It just looks so gorgeous. Oh my god. The palette is way more pigmented in person than when I seen her review. Her review was bomb, but I was not expecting the colors to look more vibrant and pigmented than what it did on camera. But baby, when I got this in the mail and I bust her open, I was like, y'all see, I had to call her up and be like, why you didn't tell me? I did go ahead and do some swatches, and from right to left, top row, we have Soil, we have Supreme, then Pinker, Big Wig, Dollars Honey, Credit, and Letitious. And I think I'm saying that right, Letitia. And you guys, like I said, the palette is way more pigmented and way more vibrant in person than on camera. The camera does these shadows no freaking justice. So on the bottom row from right to left, we have Zion, we have Wigglies, then we have Shookington, which is her favorite word, and then my favorite is Trust Issues. Then we have Edges. And then you have Sponsored, which I think is so freaking cute. And then the last shade is Ginger. Now you guys, at the time of you seeing this palette is everywhere. Okay, the palette is everywhere. Anastasia and on Sephora's website. This palette does retail for $45, or should I say $45, honey. I do know this one is limited edition. I am super excited to have this palette. I thank my wife for even getting the palette. Like, as soon as I seen Jackie Aina's video the day of her birthday, I like went to that link that she had in her description and I forwarded the link straight to my wife, and my wife bought it like that. So thanks, honey, for getting me this palette. Anything and everything Jackie Aina, I am down for. The only thing I don't have is the Born This Way foundations that she came out with Too Faced. The only thing, if I had a con to say about this palette or this collaboration in general, I really, really, truly wish, Jackie, mama, if you're watching, if I need to call you after this, let me know. Let me express my feelings to you. I think we should have did a whole collection, like highlighters, palette, lipstick. I think we should have just went all out for, you know, Libra season and all. Is it Libra or Leo? Norvina, Anastasia, if you're watching, if you need me to, you know, personally give you an email, let your girl know. But I think you should invite Jackie back and give her a full collection collaboration.
I said what I said.
If you feel the same way, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up right now, because I truly feel like that. I want to go ahead and jump right on into the video. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we go, press pause after you hear the question and comment if you guys would like for me to do a mukbang telling you about the time that I danced in the Super Bowl. I will give you a story time in a mukbang if you guys want it. Alright, you guys, now that we have the specs of the swatches and everything, we're gonna go ahead and jump off into the Jackie palette. And I'm kind of debating on if I should do one eye off camera or do one eye on camera and come back, or whatever it shall be, because we don't know what kind of look we're going for today. And I did want to go ahead and let you guys know that I did prime my eyelids with the Ulta Beauty Nude Matte Eyeshadow Primer. Ooh, I almost dropped her. I think I'm gonna start off with Ginger as the transition color. And you guys know Ginger is this muted brown tannish color. I have been watching reviews and been pointed out that she's kind of giving Huda Beauty vibes. So I don't think I have that palette. I think I said that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play off what I know. But me seeing the comparisons, I did get a little bit of Huda Beauty vibes from it too. But this is Jackie, you know? So I am gonna take my famous BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and we're just gonna start placing Ginger in our transition area. So far she is very pigmented, but you know what, you guys, I should have brought y'all in a little bit closer. So that's what we're gonna do. She's blending out well and she's very smooth. So now that we got her all blended out, I think I'm gonna go into Credit and use her on the outer V. And I believe I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm just gonna place it just a little bit in that area, and we're gonna keep it kind of low. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of Supreme, and I'm just gonna lightly touch it up above where I put Ginger. And I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked 2 eyeshadow brush. And I mean, I'm just gonna dip it just like that, and it barely has anything on it. And I'm just gonna lightly brush it right here. just to marry those two colors and give my transition just a tad bit of a little color. Just a hint of color, if you could tell. So now I want to go in with Soil, and I want to put her on the inner portion of my mobile lid. And I don't know if I should spray her or not, but I'm gonna see what she's looking like without the spray first, because swatching her, she was beautiful. So I'm gonna just try it, and I won't do no cut creases or anything like that. I just want to do a simple, cute look. Wow. Ooh, okay. Oh, she's pretty. Now I'm a little torn between Shikaton and Dwellers. I don't know which one I want to go with, but I kind of want to go in with Dwellers first and Shikaton at the end. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna try it. I think you're supposed to go in with Dwellers with your finger. So I'm gonna try it because it's not picking up on the brush too well. And you really can't see it. And if I'm not mistaken, this one is like a pressed pigment, pressed glitter type of ordeal. So I'm gonna go in with my finger. Oh, she looks gorgeous. She works better with your finger. So now I want to go in with Shikaton, and we're gonna put that on the outer part in that negative space. And we're just gonna blend her in where we need to. This was a simple and easy eyeshadow look. I'm not quite done. I am gonna work on the bottom, but just so far the shadows are creamy, they're blending well, they're marrying together very well. And this could this could possibly be my new everyday eyeshadow palette. With the crazy colors, you would think that you couldn't do an everyday look, but as you could tell, this is not too dramatic. And you don't have to go heavily into the shadows like I just did on an everyday basis, but you can. Nothing too major. Now I do know I want to go in with Trust Issues in the inner tear duct. So I think I'm just gonna take, I want to say this is a Luxie pencil brush, and I know Trust Issues is a hard shade too, just like Dwellers, but we're just gonna place her right here. Ooh. Girl, these shades. Oh, these shades. She's green, but she's white. She give you trust issues, you know? You don't know what you're gonna get. You don't know what she's gonna be talking about. My AOA Studio E115 brush is just a flat shader brush. And we're gonna go in with Wigglies, and we're just gonna press her right in our waterline. There is a little bit of fallout, but I mean, that doesn't bother me at all. But I know some people, you know, like to know that, but it doesn't bother me. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of edges. Go in with a little bit of edges on my, I want to say this is a Luxie Small Shader Brush too. And we're just gonna take that right up under Wigglies just to smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of credit just to deepen up the outer V of the bottom waterline. And I'm gonna use the same brush. I didn't wipe it off or anything. And I'm just gonna put it right at the edges. Okay, so I was gonna do the lips off camera, but I needed some help with deciding a color. So here's the eyelashes that I am wearing. I always butcher this company's name, so that's why I'm showing you guys. I will have her Instagram link down below, so you guys could go and order you some lashes. They are very freaking bomb, and this style is in D17. I love them. I decided to do extra dramatic lashes because that's just who I am. So I am gonna line my lips with the Appeal Gel Lip Liner in Deep Taupe, and I got this in a BoxyCharm. You guys know I like to overline my lips just a little bit. But the shades I have that I really want to rock, I really want to rock this new, it's not new no more, but the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. This one is in Kiss of Death. Nah, that one's not gonna work. The Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss in Peach Tea. See, a peachy nude always will look good. Okay, and then the last one we have is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the High Shine lipstick, and this one is in Devil's Advocate. Ooh, this one will look good. We're gonna go with that one. Nice little vampy look. I know we're in summer, but I mean, come on, it's just a review, you guys, just a review. If you do want to recreate this look and you're going by my tutorial, just do a nude lip, okay? But because we're doing a review and it is 12:04 p.m. in the middle of the night, we're gonna do whatever A.MaRee wants to. We're not going nowhere. We're gonna take this right on off. Ooh, and this looks really good.